3 minus 3 gives us 0. And on the other side, 8 minus 8 gives us 0. In the end, 0 multiplied by 0 gives us the final answer, 0. Wrong! Wait, please don't quit the video yet. If you make this common mistake, you will fail almost every math test you take. To never get this wrong again, you just need one incredibly important rule called PEMDAS. Think of it as a checklist that tells you which operation has the right of way. P is for parentheses. Anything inside brackets is a VIP. You must solve these groups before touching anything else. Example, 3 times 2 plus 4 becomes 3 times 6, which equals 18. E is for exponents. These are your powers, like 5 squared. You solve them immediately after the parentheses. Example, 10 plus 3 squared becomes 10 plus 9, which equals 19. M and D for multiplication and division. This is where most people fail. These two are equal partners. You do not always multiply first. Instead, you solve them from left to right, just like you're reading a book. Example, 12 divided by 3 times 2. Moving left to right, 4 times 2 equals 8. A and S for addition and subtraction. These are also a team with equal priority. Again, you simply follow the flow of the page from left to right. Example, 10 minus 7 plus 5. Moving left to right, 3 plus 5 equals 8. Now with these explanations, let's solve the question from the beginning of the video. But before solving it, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. And if you comment the right answer, I will show it in the next video. 3 minus 3 multiplied by 8 minus 8. According to PEMDAS, we must look for parentheses or exponents first. But since we have none, we move to multiplication. In this expression, there are 2 subtractions and 1 multiplication. According to PEMDAS, multiplication has a higher priority than subtraction. So, we first perform the multiplication in the middle. 3 multiplied by 8 gives us 24. Now the expression becomes 3 minus 24 minus 8. Since we only have subtraction left, we simply move from left to right. 3 minus 24 gives us negative 21. Finally, negative 21 minus 8 gives us negative 29, which is our final answer.